Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video we are going to discuss about one small cap stock where I see buying opportunity at the current time. For the disclaimer, this is my portfolio stock and this video is only made for the educational purpose. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like my video. The stock which I'm going to talk about today is Anant Raj Ltd. Yes, this is a company which belongs to the real estate business and they are into residential houses, commercial places and IT parks. They are into the real estate business from last 5 decades, you can see here, and they are majorly present in Delhi, Haryana, in the northern part of the India. Now you will see that they are into the residential business, further into the commercial business in Delhi NCR, and they have been creating IT hubs in North India. Now why I see opportunity in this particular stock? One, because their fundamentals has been changing in last couple of quarters, and there has been a buying coming in from the FII sides or the institution sides. Talking about the current market price of this particular stock, the Anant Raj Ltd is trading at a price of 112 rupees and it was up 6.5% in last trading session. Looking at the market cap of this particular company, it is a market cap of 3,633 crore rupees with a book value of 83 rupees. Even if you will compare it to the book value, it has not been that highly overvalued when it comes to the stock price to earning ratio as well. Now talking about the stock further, you will see that the company has reduced debt, and it is a very good sign, and the company is expected to give good quarters. Again, there are some cons where you can see that the promoter holding has been decreased over last quarter. They have delivered poor sales growth. But if you will see the financial health or the balance sheet of this particular company in comparison to its peer also, they are doing fairly well, and they have got like one of the good price to earning ratio in comparison to the other competitors like DLF and Godrej Properties in this particular space. The financial or the quarterly result, you can see that the company has been doing a good sales, and their sales has been increasing since June 2021, where they were doing the sales of 62 crore rupees, and at present in September 2022 quarter they did a sale of 252 crore rupees. The profit has been increasing again from the profits of 3 crore from September 2022. They have been reaching and clocking the profit of 34 crore rupees in September 2022, which is again a massive jump, and that is one of the reasons why the company's fundamentals are changing, and the company is almost working, or the current market price is near all-time high. The ratios or the shareholding pattern for this particular company, you will see that there has been a decline in the September quarter in promoter holding, but there has been a exponential growth in terms of FII's holding with a 8.32% in this quarter of September 2022. So I believe that there are still chances that this particular stock can see a up move from the current level. Now, what exactly that Anant Raj Ltd do is they acquire land. Yes, they acquire land. Then they do the project execution and the land acquisition, sales, marketing, regulatory approvals, and this is how they plan to work. And this is a good model rather than taking land on lease. They believe in land acquisition, which is a good sign. Again, they have a lot of reserves in the company, and which again make this particular small cap a much stable stock. Looking at the chart of the Anant Raj Ltd, I have made some support level and the resistance level. The first immediate resistance for this particular company is at a level of 120 rupees. Once it breaks the level of 120 rupees, there are high chances that you can see a massive growth or like a breakout in this particular stock. And the support level where I would suggest if you are interested in buying this particular stock, the level of 100 rupees to 105 rupees is a very good level to add this particular stock. Or You can wait to break the level of 120 rupees. Once it gives the breakout from the level of 120 rupees, there are high chances that this particular stock may hit the level of 140 to 150 in coming months. Now, I'll show you that I believe that this particular company has given a good return in last couple of days, and it should correct and form a pivot here. And if it happens, and if it corrects to the level of 106 or 105 or say, you can enter in this particular stock, which I will be doing personally. And this particular stock again can go and test the level of 120, and if sustains the level of 120 for next 2 days, can go up to the level of 140 in coming months. There has been a huge volume coming in this particular stock in last 5 trading session, which is again a positive sign, and I believe that there has been an institution buying or a big buying going in this particular company. Apart from this, I have been checking the insider trading in this particular stock from the owners, and you will see that there has been a huge buying coming in last couple of days, and there has been a buying on 31st December, which is by Amit Sareen, Aman Sareen and Ashim Sareen, which is again a positive sign that the company promoters are believing in its company, and they are buying more and more stocks. And one of the reasons why I believe that this particular stock can again go above the level of 120 from the current levels and eventually give you a good return in the coming days. So this is a short-term momentum play, which definitely if you would like to play, you can play. And you can see if you like this particular company fundamentals or financials or charts, then definitely you can plan to invest in a company. Once again, I want to tell you that this video is only made for the educational purpose, and I see opportunity in this particular space, and that's why I am adding these stocks in my portfolio. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.